Morning, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a vlog today. I'm just going to record what I'm up to. I am so busy. It's currently 13 days before we go on holiday. I have got so much work to do. My head just feels all over the place. And I just thought I would spend the day with you today and see how I tackle today, see how I tackle all my jobs and everything else that gets thrown in the mix. If you watch my videos, you know that things generally don't go to plan around here. Yesterday was a bit of a nothing day. I had so much to do. I started kit packing, but our daughter's gone to Copenhagen for a few days with her boyfriend. We took her to the airport, but we had to get up at 4:45 in the morning, and we were so tired. So we battled through the day. Aid's got loads on with work as well before we go away, and I just plodded along, but obviously it wasn't as productive as I would have liked. I missed out on my video time. I generally edit videos between 5 in the morning and 7:30. I lost that, and then in the evening I was asleep on the sofa just after 6 o'clock, so I lost my evening of work as well. But I did go to bed early, and I got up at 5 this morning just to get back into my routine. For me, key is routine. I like my work routine. But today I'm kit packing. I need to record some videos. I've just remembered I've got a friend popping over about 1 o'clock for a coffee. And I wanted to show you, I got glasses recently. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't have seen. Oh, they're grubby already. I've got makeup all around the nose. But I've been given glasses for reading, but I haven't actually remembered to actually wear them for reading yet. I've had them since Thursday, but I think they look really nice. I'm really quite chuffed with them. I just wanted to wear them as an accessory actually, because I think they hide the bags under my eyes. And you know I'm really self-conscious of those. So I've only so far worn them for taking photos. And I forget, like when I'm at my screen, they're on my bedroom table. Oh, my phone's going. First distraction of the day. So that was Holly FaceTiming from Copenhagen. She's having a very nice time. They've got an Airbnb flat, and they've got a little cat staying in their flat with them called Clement. So she's very happy. I've just made my coffee, and I made Ada coffee too. I've had a pear for breakfast and some dried prunes as well, which were very yummy. But I need to make today easier. I have got so much going on, and I just need to simplify a few things just to make my life easier. The first thing I've done is this video. I had another video planned for the Monday that I want this to go up on, but it was quite a lengthy one to film, and it's one I've been wanting to do for months, and it just keeps getting put off, and I really haven't got the time. So I thought I would film today and just film how I'm going to try and make today easier. I'm not quite sure how that's going to work yet, but that's the plan. So the first thing is, by changing up my video, I will show you my video list in a moment. I've edited 3 videos and scheduled them today. I'm in the midst of a blog post that needs to go up today as well. I need to get the kits packed so they're ready early, ready to go next week, but I've got so many videos that I still need to film. So I've decided to quickly film 2 videos. The September unboxing that I can schedule for when we're away or when we just come back off our trip, and I need to make a planner dashboard to go with the October planner kit. I also need that photo for the zine, which needs to be with Kelly this week. The videos won't take that long, so rather than do kit packing, which it's going to take me about 3 days, I've decided just to get those 2 videos done. It will feel so much nicer. My head will feel so much happier knowing that they've been ticked off. So I'm going to do those today. And dinner. I'm going to be making a really easy peasy dinner tonight. I've planned it because I knew I would be busy today. It's a 1-bowl meal. So everything's cooked in the one bowl. It's in the wok, and it's called egg roll in a bowl. No egg and no rolls, but it's really yummy and one of my favorite meals to cook, so I'll be doing that later today. So it's a bit of a long intro today, but I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and let's hope that I can simplify things today and get loads done. So as you know, I do everything by list. This is currently my video to film list before we go away, bearing in mind that we go in 13 days, and I've got all those videos still to film, edit and schedule, and they take me ages. So I'm going to try today to I'm obviously replacing the one video with today's video, and I'm going to film 2 other videos today, so that will make me happy. And that's my to-do list for today. I'm also currently printing off the bits and pieces for the October kit, as I need to work on the sneak ready for the September zine. So here's a little preview of what's coming in October. So as I really want to get on with kit packing, I'm doing the jobs that are done the quickest. I've got the blog up for today. I've been printing off the bits, as you've seen, for the October sneak. So I'm going to take that photo now, edit that, and get that made up for the zine. So that's another thing I can tick off and won't take too long. Little desk update. It's 10:15. I've just made myself some toast. I wanted to share this with you. I remembered it the other day. I used to be a veggie in the 90s, and I used to buy this pate. It's so good. It's organic herb. I think it was called something else. It's a blend of tofu, yeast and herbs, and with Holly being vegan, I'm really struggling to feed her because she's so fussy, and I remembered this the other day, and I found it in Holland and Barrett. I think it used to be called Tartex back when I was a veggie, and I bought some. I'm not sure if she'll like it, but I love it, and I'm just having that on toast, and I like it on cold toast. Sorry, I've got a plane going over. We have a tiny little airport just in walking distance, and you get the little planes go past. It's really nice. So I'm just having some toast at my desk. I've managed to get loads done. I'm just ticking off all those small jobs. I've paid a couple of invoices. I'm just in the midst of ordering my little cutesy felt things for the October kit. I've done the October sneak. I've just worked out the stamps that I would like the designs for 3 lots of kits, and I've emailed Emily from Cross Buns. I always get it wrong. Skull and Cross Buns. I've emailed her, and I've got my thumbnail made for an upcoming Shop With Me Lidl. I've done a video. It's on the 22nd of August. I haven't edited it yet. I've done meal planning, shopping in Lidl, and then a cook with me with the ingredients that I've just picked up in Lidl. I've done that recently, so I'm going to edit that for whilst I'm away. So if you like that kind of thing, let me know if you're looking forward to that. I'm trying to kind of like, the popular videos are like the shopping ones, and I'm trying to combine them with some other things. So like doing the meal planning and the cooking, to me it kind of all goes together and makes sense. So let me know if you like that idea, and subscribe if you don't already, so you will get notified when that video's up. I've also, what else did I do? I've done the thumbnail for that, and now I'm just about to go and film the September kit unboxing. Also, to make my day easier, I've taken the dashboard DIY off my list. It's just too much today, and it's things that I enjoy doing, and I feel like they have to be good. They're DIYs for my kits. I don't want to do them when I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. So I've taken that off today's list. Do you find sometimes if you've got too much on your list that you don't achieve quite so well? So I've taken that off, and I've delegated. Aid's sorting out the washing. He's really good at sorting the washing. He's done the washing, it's on the line, and I've asked Louis to put the hoover around. It's a little change of plan. I can't do the unboxing yet. I've just realised I'm doing these really cute little mini envelopes for the September kit. But the idea for these came, Jennifer from Happy Scatter designed me a strip of stickers, these circle stickers, which I love, and I thought it would be really fun to take one of these stickers and pop it on the envelope. So I've asked for extra stickers of these. So I can't do the unboxing until I've got my new samples, and they are due at the end of the week. So I'd completely forgotten about that, thinking the kit was complete, but it isn't quite. So I'm just setting up, and I'm going to get that dashboard done instead. I will feel so much happier when it's done, and I'm kind of putting it off. So now I'm not going to do the unboxing. I'm going to do the dashboard DIY instead. While I'm doing all the September bits, look how cute the clip is for September. She's a little sugar cookie, because in autumn we like all cutesy foods and yummy foods, all things cozy. I'm really excited.
Where shall I put the cloth?
Sorry?
Where shall I put the cloth?
If it's dirty, it can go in the washing machine, please. Have they come up clean?
Okay.
Your boots?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Have you eaten?
Just started.
Okay. More distractions. So this is the cute little clip for September. I'm really happy about this cute cozy kit. There's a little sneaky peek of the planner video that I've just done. I've done so much on my list now. I'm really pleased. I've finished all the planner stuff. I've filmed the video and I've got all the photos done and the sneaks over to Kelly for the zine. And I've also just given Louis a lift over to play football with his friends. So I've got a quiet afternoon, although a friend is due very soon. She's dropping off Holly's birthday present. And I'm sure she'll be stopping for a cup of tea as she has a bit of a distance to come. I'm going to tidy up in here now and then I'm going to start planner kit packing. She knew that I'd be kit packing when she came anyway, so the idea is that I continue with working while she stops for a cuppa. It's 12:30 and I've managed to get so much done on my list, and now I'm going to go back to kit packing from last night. It's 2:30. My friend's just left. She didn't want lunch, so I've just quickly knocked up mine after she's gone. I've got roasted veg leftovers with sweet corn with hummus and sweet chilli, some in a wrap and the rest on the side. I'm now in the middle of kit packing. It's about 4 o'clock and I've done 70 odd kits so far. I'm really happy with this month's kit. I will link up below so you can go and have a look as they are still on sale. Aids picked Louis up from football. I've just made Louis a quick bread roll and a quick tea. Because he's going to work at Waitrose in a short while. But I'm going to carry on packing kits. I really wanted to get to 150 this evening. That's my goal, but I'm feeling really tired. It's 7 o'clock. I've done 100. I'm really tired. I've been working since 5:30 this morning. I've decided not to make dinner tonight. We're going to skip dinner. I still feel really full from the roasted veg and the wrap at 2:30 tonight. Aid's just walking Poppy. He's going to pick Louis up in an hour from work. And he's going to do all my address labels for the boxes shortly. As you can see, I'm doing really well. But I'm starting to feel really tired now. I think I'm going to do 30 more and then I'm going to call it a night. And we're going to try and be in bed for about 9:30 tonight with a cup of tea. That's what I fancy. I feel like I've let you down though. I was going to make the egg roll in a bowl, which is so delicious. So instead of finishing this vlog tonight, I'm going to actually finish it tomorrow evening and I will make that dinner with you because I promised, and it's really yummy. I just don't want to eat for the sake of eating and I'm really not hungry, and all I fancy is a cup of tea. It's 8 o'clock. Aid's gone to pick up Louis from work. The box pile is really going down. I do need to replenish the table though before I finish, get it ready for tomorrow. And I will be back tomorrow to make that dinner with you because it's really good and I really wanted to share it with you. My feet are killing me. They're really aching. But I'm going to finish for now and I'll see you tomorrow. 9:15, showered, pyjamas, and Aid brought home loads and loads of sushi reduced to 10p from Waitrose. So we've got some for supper now as we missed dinner, and we've got some for lunch tomorrow. As promised, I am back the following day. It's 5:30. I have been packing boxes all day. I got up at 5 o'clock for the usual video editing, blog scheduling, admin, and I've been packing boxes ever since. I'm now going to make dinner, and as promised, I am making the egg roll in a bowl. There's no egg and there's no rolls, but there is a bowl. It's so good. I'll link up this recipe. It's one of those really easy ones, and I'm all about trying to keep things simple. And last night we skipped dinner. Neither of us were hungry, as it was when Aid picked up Louis from work at Waitrose. There was loads and loads of sushi reduced to 10p, and we get 15% off that as well. So we had sushi for tea last night, so we definitely kept it simple. Tonight I'm really busy. Aid's just giving Louis a lift to football, and I am going to make this really easy and relatively healthy meal. It's a 1 pot meal. I'm using my wok to keep it really easy, and I throw everything in. I have made this one so many times and I love it. I am using turkey mince and extra lean, so it's really healthy. There's no carbs, and it's really delicious. this has become one of those go-to meals when we want something healthy but really quick and easy. This is one of those go-to meals. What meals do you cook that's really, really easy that you can knock up quickly? And I'm not talking like beans on toast or a throw in the oven pizza, something where you feel it's healthy eating but it's super quick. I love jacket potatoes, baked potatoes as well. And to be honest, I'm doing a lot of one-pot meals these days. They are so easy. I have actually got a video coming up next month, so subscribe if you don't already and you'll get notification when that video's up. But I'm really, really loving these meals lately. I'm just chopping up a load of onions and garlic to go in the wok. One thing I will add, I'm really bad at following recipes. I kind of use them as a guideline, but I tend not to weigh, and I tend to just add whatever I've got, so I don't always follow the recipe exact. I'm replacing the sesame oil in the recipe with a bit of coconut oil, and I'm just going to fry off the onions and the garlic in the wok together. I've got the turkey in the wok. I have just added some easy chopped ginger. I get through so much ginger, and I've actually run out, but I always keep this as an emergency. It's super, super easy. I never know how to say this. Is it sriracha? But I've added some of that. It says to add a coleslaw mix. I never buy a coleslaw mix. I just finely slice up a white cabbage and a red cabbage and a little bit of carrot as well to go in there. I love the colours on this. I just need to slice up some carrots. It's smelling absolutely amazing. I love the freshness that the ginger adds to it. I'm adding about a tablespoon of Chinese white or rice vinegar. I've also got to add, what else is on here? Some pepper, and I leave out the water chestnuts. I forgot there's also soy sauce. Oh, that goes in it. You're a bit clouded now, aren't you? And for us, the thing that makes this meal is mixing some natural yogurt with sweet chili sauce to drizzle over the top when it's in your bowl. And there it is. It's so delicious. Topped with the chili yogurt, some spring onions, and I might add a bit of extra ginger as well. I did add a little bit more white wine vinegar, but this meal is so good and it's really, really easy. The recipe is down below. Let me know if you give it a go, and let me know what your easiest meal is as well. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope that it inspires you to maybe try and simplify your day a little bit. If something's really hard going, if something's stressing you out, if you don't have to have it in your day, try and get rid of it. Or if it's something you really have to do, get it over and done with first thing so it's done. I hate that feeling when you've got something hanging over you all day. So let me know, what can you eliminate from your busy day or your busy week that will make you feel so much better? Can you offload to anybody else? Leave your comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you also like to try and make your life just a little bit easier. I think we all do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Have a wonderful week. I hope this has got you off to a great start for the week ahead, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.